ukhuma kusevele waphuzisa kuNozipho amaphilisi ngiyacanga ukuthi ufuna ukumisa i-abortion ngenkani. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Lakers from the 7th to the 11th of April 2025 on Monday. Kumo's done an amazing turnaround, or has he? Lulu has an idea what he's up to. Once again, Pele gets the short end of the stick on Tuesday. Figele unknowingly put Nozipho on the spot. Samgelo managed to sell himself to Tao. Jack doesn't like the way Juju is inserting himself on Wednesday. A man with a dark heart commits an unthinkable act. Shomla is confident his dream is about to come true. Lucy's feelings are all over the place on Thursday. Lulu proved herself to be a true hustler. Spare breaks bad news to Kumo. Little does he know Meloguhle gets a message and is over the moon on Friday. Mpo is confused about his landlady's strange behavior. That worries his protege might be too confident. Nozipho struggled to keep up the act. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.